SoFi broke this $24 support on the daily chart. The next zone I would look for now is this liquidity zone between $21 and $22 that is residing in that wick. On the 4-hour, we can see that we are extremely undervalued, which correlates very well to get a rebound on that zone. On the 1-hour, we can also see that we are very close to be undervalued. Another good thing is that we have this huge pool of liquidity that we can target now. So if we get a rebound from this zone, the liquidity at $24, $25 would be our first target. If we look at the deviation on SoFi, it's extremely bullish. If we look at the 4-hour, we saw that we were extremely undervalued. It's more than 3 standard deviation, which is an event that happened once or twice a year. The 1-hour is also close to 2 standard deviation, and we are also slightly undervalued on the 15-minute. So globally, it's extremely bullish. If we look at the fundamentals of SoFi, I think this pullback was quite healthy. We are still at 58 PE ratio, which means that we are starting to come back in multiples that makes a bit more sense. Also, the forward PE ratio is 38, which is, in my opinion, where SoFi should be valued. Also, if we look at the earnings, there is absolutely nothing to worry about. They beat it the revenue estimate, and also like all the previous quarter, they beat it on earning per share. So fundamentally, SoFi is absolutely a beast. I personally started to sell put at $23, and I will probably sell more put in this liquidity zone if I see some rebound. So in my opinion, there is nothing to worry about, and I think we could see higher prices on SoFi very soon.